Chuo ema Bomas of Kenya nyiso ni waikore nyakwa Ramogi mar kelo nigi duto kaka gitimore. Wadhi nyime gi weche manyien kama ne jalar kom jatend Kenya gi otiko mar Agano Party David Mwaure ojiwo jo Kenya ni obed kod horruok e thuolo ni magin kod chenro mar yiero.
Mwaure oloso kano yuore lamo mar kanisa mar World Changers mantiere Githurai e county ma Nairobi.
Mwaure ne oten kod jalupne Ruto Mutua mabendo jiwo IEBC ne okaw ting' mar neno ni dwaro mar chikolu nyaka ne gi timo lando yiero no bang' timo yiero.
From here now, the ball has been thrown over to IEBC, and they need our prayers. Personally, I'm praying for them, that they'll be firm, they'll be steadfast. And when whoever is announced, they will not allow themselves to be coerced by anyone. For the voters, it is not just your constitutional right, it's your divine, it's your created right to vote. Come and vote, wake up very early, so that you can make it easier even for the returning officers. So that by 5, everything will have been counted, and thereafter we can go on our knees and thank God for answered prayers.
Kenyans, we are calling out to all of you, the women, the mothers. We are asking that we go out and vote. Please allow your children to vote and go back home. We are calling out for peace. Let us retain peace. Let us maintain peace, because we need and we have life after the 9th, and we need each other, and we need to promote each other. So let those that will win, and we are positive that we shall win. And for those that shall not win, we ask them to accept. Let us ask each other and remind each other that we need peace.